In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your dashboards in HubSpot. Dashboards are your command center for tracking performance across marketing, sales, and service. And when they're set up well, you'll spend less time digging for numbers and more time acting on them. I'll walk you through viewing, creating, customizing, and sharing dashboards so you can keep your teams aligned and your metrics crystal clear. First, open HubSpot and head to Reports, then Dashboards. This is where all of your dashboards live. To view one, simply click its name from the list. You'll land on a clean layout of tiles. Each tile is a report. Take a moment to scan what's there so you know which metrics you're already tracking and what might be missing. When you're ready to build something new, click Create Dashboard. Give it a clear, descriptive name so you can find it later, and choose a type. Marketing dashboards help you track campaigns, traffic, and conversions. Sales dashboards spotlight deals, pipeline health, and team performance. Service dashboards focus on tickets and customer satisfaction. If your needs don't fit neatly into one area, pick Custom for a mix that suits your workflow. Choosing the right type keeps your dashboard focused and easier to maintain. Now add reports to bring your dashboard to life. Click Add Report. You can pull in existing reports you've already built or create a new one from scratch. As you add, think about the story you're telling. Start with top-level metrics and then support them with more detailed visuals. Keep the essentials front and center so anyone who opens the dashboard can understand what matters in seconds. To fine-tune the layout, go to Actions and select Edit Dashboard. Here you can rearrange, resize, or remove reports. Place your most important reports at the top and group related ones together to make comparisons easy. Resize larger visuals for emphasis and shrink supporting widgets so the layout feels balanced. If something isn't useful, remove it to keep the view clean and purposeful. When your dashboard is ready for others, click Actions and choose Share. Pick the sharing options that make sense for your team so the right people have access and can rely on the same source of truth. Sharing ensures everyone is aligned on the latest performance snapshot without hunting for links. And that's how you manage your dashboards in HubSpot. Quick and easy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.